What? No. I don't want to have to write my first referral. I don't know, for spouting racist comments. Uh-oh. No, I think you're right. Wait. It is infinite. It is infinite. Yeah. Oh, if you, yeah, you could scribble and then go arrows. All right, does that mean you guys are ready?
No.
No.
Can you treat the greater or less than like equal sign?
What do you mean by that? Like when you're doing your inverse operations?
Yeah, like that.
Yes. Yeah, of course. You gotta be able to move it around, right? No?
No, it's not in your locker.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. That's pretty bad.
It's not in my backpack, it's in my locker. I think
Can I go ask the office?
Oh my gosh.
Please.
Sure. But don't let it distract you too much.
Okay. I'll be really quick.
All right, ready?
No.
No?
I'm kidding. You can start with it.
All right, I'm ready.
I'm not.
It's okay. We can catch up. All right. Any suggestions?
Add 12.
Sure. Do you want to do anything at the same time? Great. We got 2x and 8.
And now things have become really simple.
Divide by 2. And then you got x is less than or equal to a 4. Right?
Yeah. You have to graph it.
Yes. Always. Whenever this entire chapter, yes, always. So we got 0, 4. Oh my god. I think this period I'm like at the point where I'm just tired, so I start like tweaking out, you know?
What about 6?
What?
In 6,
Now you go to school at 6 period.
Oh, 6. I don't have a class.
Oh.
Yeah, you only gotta say 1, 2, 3, and 5.
Yeah.
And then we have 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 4.
What period goes to Florida State to study there?
Okay, open or close? Closed, and then which way? Left. There you go.
I can complete that. Why is it not?
Why is it left? Because all the numbers that make this true. Does 0 make it true? Does 0 work here? 0 is less than 4?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're all still left.
What if it's the thing is facing the very
Then it would be greater than.
Watch, the lift is not going to be.
For number 2? He says step number 2. What? Like this? Yeah. So we subtracted 3x and then we added 12.
2 is. Why'd you do that?
You good? Alright. Oh, I bought a thing where I have a mic, so maybe it won't catch whatever you guys say anymore. I'll try it out next time because I kind of forgot about it. Yeah. So if I wear like a mic, you know, like the streamers, the IRL streamers, yeah, or the YouTube people, I'll try that out. Can I go to number 2?
No.
Too bad. Suggestions?
Wait, no, wait.
Let's see.
That's how you do minus 10.
Ah, yeah.
Wait, actually, no.
It's less than 2x plus 5. Yep.
And the PE teacher wasn't there too.
Sorry. Hope you find it though.
I went to the office too and they're not like, I don't know anything about this and no one has told me about it.
I don't know. Let's take a look. So I think you got to clean it up to see the statement. Is this true? 5 is bigger than negative 10? It's true. If in your head you say yes, then infinitely many solutions.
Wait, you said no, that was no?
Yeah, no for no. That means yes for infinite. If you were to graph it, it looks like this. Okay, that means all numbers, any number for x. Was it x? Yes. Any number for x will work.
Thanks for the whole. It was in my folder. Oh, why did I know? Like, no, because like.
Yeah, I was gonna say, do you check your pockets?
When I grabbed this and I went like that, I saw the little shine of the side. I was like, well, I swear, that's
See-
my phone. I'm not.
See, if you went through with doing your work at the beginning of the class and taking out your notebook, you would have found it. I would have helped you like faster.
I'm sorry, Mr. Teacher.
You're good, don't worry.
Oh,
All right, new stuff.
no word problems.
No, that's not a word problem.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I'm safe.
That's not a word problem. We're not there yet.
What do you? I hate word problems.
Hey, don't screw it up. You're not like this.
Oh my god, I put comma.
Oh wait, no, it's the
Instead of compound.
Just to the line. He's trying to make it evolve. He's not gonna explode.
Okay, do you guys have it down yet? No?
They got a point for this.
That one like cool, but okay. Wait, so
It's not a road. I mean, I guess technically half is a road. You got it right.
what side is greater than again?
A number x is greater than negative 8 and less.
This way.
Hey, I don't think I did it right. I just wrote it 2 different ways.
Yeah.
Does that count?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. So this part, number x is greater than negative 8. What does that look like?
x is greater than negative.
Great.
Wow.
Like that? Okay, what about the other one? Less than or equal to, so like this? Okay, so as my title says, you're now doing compound inequalities, right? Okay, compound, just like in English, right? Your word that's glues everything here together is what? And. Okay, so you need one or the other. You need both.
Whoa.
Because that's what and means, right?
Yeah.
So if I ask you guys to take out your notebook and your pencil,
Then we take out one.
then you must take out both. If you take out just one of them,
And you can't do anything without the other.
then you can't do anything or I'll get mad. Okay? But then if we want to stick them together, what do you think that's going to look like? So I'll write them separately like this.
Can you even stick them together?
You can. Does anybody want to take a guess? And it's okay to try it. How? What do you, yeah, how do you write that? So what am I going to write first?
Is that kind of the same equation?
Huh? We will do that, but in a statement first.
Is this in the same equation?
It is in the same statement, so in one line.
Okay.
You don't want to try anything? Just try it out.
So if you do one thing to the other side, you don't have to do anything to it.
Let's not think about that.
Okay.
Okay? Let's not think about that yet.
You got it?
Plus sign? There should not be any plus signs.
Oh. Do you like to do the graph thing?
Yeah,
Later.
Oh.
I want to write both of these into one.
Oh.
Any ideas? Yeah.
You put the x in the middle, so both of them.
Put the x in the middle, and then
You put the
what's on the left side?
8. -8.
-8
And then 4.
and then 4. But then you see this one right here? See this?
yeah.
You gotta keep that there. But then over here, is there another way to write? Let me change it to you. Yeah, you flip everything, right? So we could also write like this, right? You see that? You see that? Yeah? It's like you take this, and you kind of overlay it right there. So you have this whole thing. Okay?
Okay. Okay, what do you do now?
Okay, now you graph it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see what the graph looks like.
How do you do graph?
I'll show you. Where are our points? 4 and -8. Yes.
Can we just make this more complicated?
No.
Alright, why can't we just write like two different ones? Two different graphs?
Okay, pay close attention, yes? For the 4, what kind of circle?
Oh, close.
Close. For the -8,
Open.
this one is
Open.
open.
Then you just draw a line connecting.
And then what?
A line connecting the two.
2 lines.
Yeah, a line connecting the two because take the look.
There's no arrow.
Let's pretend, let's think about it. Does 0 work? 0?
Yeah.
0 goes in here?
Yeah.
0 is bigger than -8?
Yeah.
0 is less than 4?
Yeah.
I will take a 6. 6 goes in here. Is 6 bigger than -8?
Yeah.
But is 6 less than 4?
No.
So 6 does not work. So nothing out here, right?
No, anything more than two.
No.
Anything
Less
less than 4,
More than -8.
but more than -8. So it's in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay?
So whatever is in the middle is x.
So whatever is in the middle should be your x. But then what you do is you kind of just scratch in the middle. But do not put the arrows.
Oh, okay.
Because you know what the arrows tell you to do?
Just go and
Just keep going. So no arrow.
Do you put it like that, or do you put it like with the little things?
You can do that. If you guys want to do this, you can do this. Oops. That works. Okay, if you don't want to scratch in this middle line right here, you just go up and
Oh yeah.
whatever you want.
Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what is the mystery? What is sorry?
Where are the windows?
Because talking about cars and trucks. Well, that's how they draw it. You don't see it?
Wow, drawing cars like that? Not Robin drawing cars.
Okay. Next one. At most.
I always draw cars like that. This one. I think this is.
Thank you.
Me personally, I think this is. Bro, I messed up.
Okay, do you guys know what at most is?
No.
Does that mean can it go past 0?
No.
No. So
So it's a negative.
it's like less than or equal to, right? It can be 0, right? But then it has to be under 0 too. What about at least 2?
It's less than 2.
Right. At least. So I need at least 4 apples, like everyone in the math problem says, and word problems, like apples. I need at least 4 apples. I can have 4 or more, right?
Wait, 0 is greater than 1?
No, why is it the most?
Yeah.
0 above.
0 is the biggest. 0 is the maximum. Can you go past the maximum? So you cannot go past 0. Okay? So it should be negative, yeah. Yeah, a negative number. Or 0.
So what's with the 2?
It's the second part. It could also be at least 2. But you think about the word that glues it together. Or. What does or mean? So I need one or the other. So I need a pencil or a pen. Are you going to give me both?
No.
No, you just give me one. Just give me one of them.
So we do one of the.
No.
Then what?
So the number has to satisfy one. Only one. Here, let's take a look at the graph. You guys see this? Y is less than or equal to 0. Or Y is greater than or equal to 2.
Oh.
Right? So when you go and graph it, and yeah, for this one, you just write the word or. You cannot combine them because it will not make any sense if you do. Yeah.
So that's the answer.
Yeah. And then you got to graph. Okay.
How to graph.
0, 2. Let's talk about the circles. For the 0, is it open or closed?
Opens.
Closed.
Oh.
And then where does the 0 go? Right or left?
Right. Left.
Left.
Equals left. Let's see.
For the 2,
Right.
close to? Right. You see this?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's only one option, right? It has to be bigger than or equal to 2 or 0 and smaller. Okay? So does the number 5 work? Yes, because the number 5 makes this one true. I don't care about that one. So you're good. Okay? Does the number 1 work? No, because 1 does not satisfy this one or this one.
Wait, I think I get it. So anything between doesn't fit this.
Anything between does not fit, for sure.
Everything that's not.
everything only has one solution, just one. Okay, not both at the same time, because there's no way. Yeah, you can go this way, you can go this way. Either one. Okay? Okay, let's do some more examples then. So directions, what? Oh yeah, there's some mosquitoes. I killed one last period. Huh? They live in the vents.
They live in the vents.
Yep.
Are they like big mosquitoes or
Small ones, but the small ones are the ones that bite.
so big mosquitoes?
They don't bite. They just look
Oh
scary.
my god, stop, I hate them. Like, since I wanted to go outside,
All right. Any ideas for this one?
and it jumped out.
Use what I taught you for inverse operations. How would you solve for x?
Minus 2. No, plus 2.
Plus 2. But where else are you gonna add 2?
Wait, what? No, you just added 2.
Yes. Only the 3? No. Everything. Add it to everything. Whatever you do, you got to do it to everything, right? So just in case you have more than one or 2 sides, which in this case we have like 3 places, right? You got to do the same thing to everything. Okay? Yes, and then kind of put simply, when you do the graph, put your 0 as usual, 5, and then like a -2. Do the circles. So look for -2. Is it open or close? Open. And then the 5? Open. And then, since you know that this is and, right? Because the only one that where you see and is when they're combined. You just fill in the middle. Yeah, you could do this too.
Okay.
Hey,
Yep.
what was the top part?
Okay? Is that okay?
So that's how you graph.
Yeah, that is how you graph the and one. The or one goes out. What are you guys trying to do?
I'm trying to make out.
Next. Any ideas? It's nothing distributed. Yeah, subtract 1. Where? Everywhere. There's more than 2 sides, so. And then you divide what? What? Where? Both sides? Everywhere? Everywhere. Divide everything by -2.
But then you switch the sign, right?
Did you just switch one?
Yeah.
No, switch both.
Oh yeah, both, because it's
Switch both.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
You think I will throw something like this on the test?
Yes.
I gotta keep you guys on your feet, right?
Stop, there's gonna be a test.
Yes.
Oh
What do you mean? Is there gonna be? What kind of question is that?
my god. Bro, I'm failing that test, Mr. Chow.
You'll be fine.
No, because my grades are booty cheeks and my mom. She's
Practice.
Like, how do you have an F in algebra? I was like, Mom.
Ask for help. Try to do the work in class. Well, asking for help on the test is a little too late.
Can I ask for help on the next test?
You can ask for help when we do practice.
No.
That is when you're supposed to ask for help.
Oh my god.
-4, open or close? -4. Close. +2. Open. And then you can do this. Okay? What would it look like if you forgot to flip everything? It'll look like this, right? Does that make sense?
No, it does not.
Kind of.
Does it? Does it really? Read it.
Wait, but like put it back out. I can't see it.
It's the same thing? It is not the same thing.
If the other side was
Why?
No, it's not the same thing. It got switched around.
Yeah. But then, how come this does not make sense?
Because it's
Because 2 cannot be greater than or less than x. Greater or less than
less
x.
than x, so it can't make sense.
Okay, maybe.
I think I had that in the bag. Right?
No, I had it.
Yes.
I had it in the bag, right?
Okay, so this is what Kimmy said. You guys listening? Yes? This is a negative number.
Yeah.
How is 2 less than a negative number?
I don't know, but it is.
Yeah, because we did it wrong, right? So this is a mistake. This is what I see sometimes. So X that out if you want. Do you want me to repeat? Okay. Okay, so pay attention so I don't have to repeat myself, yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so if you do your work, I encourage you to check. At least think about what you just wrote down. Does it make sense? Okay? Please. Okay, please start getting to the habit to see if it makes sense.
Like, did you plug it in or something like that?
Yes, you could try numbers, right? You need to be plugging numbers. This thing will not make any sense. This one is saying a positive number is smaller than a negative number. Does not make any sense. Okay? So automatically it's a mistake. That's wrong. Okay? So think about what you wrote down. This? Yeah, like okay, next thing. Jalen asked a great question. Can you still flip this one? Yes. You gotta flip everything though, right? So if you read it 4, right?
Oh, okay.
Going to this is still eating the x, this is still eating the x, and then 2. Same thing. It is the same thing. Okay? Great question. Alright, next one. Last one. Number 5. Okay, as you're writing this down, pay attention because this is what got me very mad 2 years ago when I first taught this class. Here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay, so please listen so I don't see it on the test. If I see it on the test, I'm going to give you a look. It's not going to be a very good look. It's going to be like the look that I give you when I know you didn't listen to me when I said to listen to me. You know what I mean? So, are you guys listening?
Let me finish writing it.
I'm all ears.
Okay, I'll let you finish it, writing it down.
Okay, I'm finished. I just finished all of it.
Okay, are you listening? Before I lose my mind, someone does it. Yes? Yes? Okay. So, my students in the past, from 2 years ago, when I gave them a question like this, I said, you know, inequality or, guess what they did? You know when that says or, you think you choose one and you just do it? Yeah, they chose one and they just did this one. Okay? Oh, this board,
Is it like
maybe last year it got worse, I don't know.
Is it like
It was like way higher, I just did a little bump. Yeah, okay, it was like,
it was a really big bump.
hey, like, that is nothing, like, you really want me to try?
Stop it.
No, wait.
Yeah, break it.
I don't think they're here.
Come on, do it.
Yeah?
Come on, do
Maybe?
it.
Yeah?
Do it. Oh!
You crashed.
The ruler fell.
I could do better, yeah.
The protractor fell.
I could do better.
Can you like break it?
I didn't want to break anything.
I think you already did. Yeah, I think you already did. The protractor, Mr. Jack.
It just fell, that's it.
Bro, the protractor is gonna be traumatized for life.
It's fine.
You hit it like right there. It was like right here.
I think a pen flew out of the thing. Anyways. Okay, let me tell you guys how to do these. What the or means is that you kind of do each problem on its own. Okay? So whatever I do here, I'm not going to do over here. Does that make sense? So over here, you know how you do plus 5?
So right now you're treating it as differently, right?
Yes, it's like you're doing two small problems.
Yeah, okay.
Okay? So if I do plus 5 over here, please do not go over here and do plus 5. Alright? Please. Please.
Do you do like +1?
Yes. So then we have all this.
Y less than negative. Oh, you divide it?
Yes. And then the other one, we have something similar, right?
Okay, add +1.
Okay. So you have 2. Just have the or.
What about
When you
divide by 2?
do the graph. 0. -1. And we have a 3. For both of them, circle is
Close. Open.
open. They're both open. Which way does the -1 go? Left.
Jeff,
Yes.
so
I
if there
used
is, if there is an equal sign on the bottom, it's going to be closed, right?
Yeah. So if there's an equal sign right here, then it's closed.
Yeah, and if it's like that, it's open, right?
And that's it.
To be honest, when I said left, I guess.
Huh?
When I said left, I guess.
No. We divided by a +3.
Are we gonna have any homework? Are we gonna have any homework?
No. Just this.
Oh my god. Oh
Okay.
my god.
There you go.
Mr. Chow.
Yes.
What the flip, man?
You're lucky I'm not giving you homework. No homework, no. Just do these 4. Okay, do these 4. You have all the time in the world to do it right now. Don't make me break this board. I think I just put a dent in it.
Check. Mr. Chow.
No, you're waiting. Let's go. Let's go.
Mr. Chow.
Wait, what is number 1? I have a glass of, but I can't see it. Oh, bro, I can't see it. Oh my god. Yo, when I put it on, it's like a boy bag.
So this one, alright?
That's just a copy. Let's eat.
You wanna get all the things. We're gonna get that. 0. Okay, the 16 is nowhere on this thing. Tell me the solution. Also,
Wait, you have to
Oh, no, it was just
okay, so the steps are there. I just think it's like that. The simple fun part.
Don't like it. So random. It's kind of
I gave you guys a calculator for a reason.
Show me your mom. You subtract 4. Subtract 4 of both sides. On all the sides, right? Wait.
Me and I'm proud of it so much.
Whoa. Wait. So actually, this would be right. You can make a paint. Could literally be how your problems can be your last slash.
You, I probably give you green damage.
I know, that's why I was like, that's
Because if the one is less than that, the other way around. So we're just gonna use put the circles down for each one. Because this was an answer.
bro, what is going on?
Why did the I mean, you said
Come on, you guys have to walk
for the word? So the characteristic for the and is in the middle, and then the or is
Are you okay?
Oh, I never said that.
Yeah, I think last year I hit it pretty hard and I actually hurt. This one This one didn't hurt.
Did you hear your arm?
It hurt for like, it just stung. That's all.
So you put a hole in your Bible?
Right. They go out.
I'm not ready to put this. I'm not ready to turn. Never mind. Yeah. You get mine. Yeah, but I'm not able to read it fast enough. Where's your due date? I don't know how this must get challenged. I just borrowed this.
Oh, they go way back.
They go way back. Like,
I don't know, tell us if he was in his class.
Yeah, he was here first.
Found that.
His brother was here first.
like,
Yeah, just turn
Always
it in.
flip the thing. Was it when you were like minusing? Oh, I'm on number 2.
This?
Yeah, when we flip. Oh, when you.
When you divide by negative. Or
So
multiply by
it's only
negative.
dividing or multiplying.
That same rule with a negative will apply here too.
Okay, so if you're subtracting or adding to a negative
No,
to a positive,
you don't flip
you
it.
don't flip it?
No. Adding, subtracting, out of the question for that.
violence is not there. Okay, but like you said, remember guys, violence is never the answer.
Yeah, last year I hit the board during like a third period, and then the teacher, I think when I hit it, she like jumped or something. And then my old students who went to her class, she was like, yeah, we kind of heard you hit the board. And then she was like asking, oh, what is that? Not me.
No, I didn't mean it. 6 minutes.
Wait, what?
Why is the water so good though?
I got the same
I just started one. What is this one, jellyfish? Jellyfish. Oh, good luck on that one. It's like, you have to collect the jellyfish. It's hard.
That made me feel so many things. Girl, this is the feeling.
Oh, I found it. I found it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Which one? Surprisingly, it should be period 5. Because it's right after lunch. It's supposed to be because it's right after lunch. But period 3.
Period 3.
It's period 3.
Which one is most quiet?
Period 1. And sometimes it could be period 3 too. But
Which is most loud? I'm not even phasing.
between you guys and 3. But I think when I tell you guys to be quiet, you guys are quiet.
Bro, this is too hard.
Huh?
What about period 3?
I had to tell them a few times.
Which one is the smartest?
Statistically, it's your guys' period.
And you know it. Actually?
Yeah.
You might say,
I'm not good at it.
how do you graph this?
I'm not good.
You only do one graph.
My name is Jamal.
Oh, you don't do it separately?
No. This one?
Tracy, like you.
No, yeah. You only do one graph. And then it's going to go like out.
Genuinely, my name is Jamal.
Oh, you're not joking.
Wait, what time is this chat?
It's 32.
What time is it?
Good question.
I love the name Jamal.
No, Mr. Charles.
34?
I got it. It said 24.
Do I speak any other languages? Small parts of other languages.
Small parts of the
Jose, you've been walking around for a while now, man. What's going on?
Alright.
Huh?
Either one.
Hey man, take off my phone, man.
Yeah, okay. Whichever one you like.
No, I said I'm gonna take my sister.
For that one.
I have 0 trophies on it. Why do you have a... Live is...
See ya.